Today, I'll walk you through how to manage clients in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a client management system so you can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. First, let's get started by navigating to Notion. Open your web browser and go to the Notion website. Once you're there, you should see your dashboard. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion frequently updates its interface, but the core functionalities remain the same. Now, let's move on to the next step. Click on Add a Page on the left side of your screen. This option allows you to create a new page where you can organize your client information. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Next, we will explore the templates available in Notion. Click on Templates to view a variety of pre-designed options that can help you get started quickly. Templates are like blueprints. They provide a structured format that you can customize to suit your needs. Once you're in the templates section, click on Templates again to access the marketplace. Here you can find a wide range of templates created by other users and Notion experts. It's a treasure trove of resources that can save you time and effort. Now, let's search for a specific template. In the search bar, type in Client Manager. This will filter the templates to show you options specifically designed for managing clients. Think of this as searching for the perfect tool in a toolbox. You want something that fits your specific task. After you find the Client Manager template, click on it to choose it. This will allow you to preview the template and see if it meets your requirements. Once you're satisfied, click on Choose a Template to add it to your workspace. Now, click on the plus sign to add the template to your sidebar. This action makes it easily accessible whenever you need to manage your clients. Finally, open the newly added client management template and modify it to fit your business needs. You can customize fields, add client details, and even set up reminders. This is your chance to make it truly yours, just like personalizing a room to reflect your style and preferences. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.